Biafrans, there is one woman that they call Lolo Nneka Chimezie. I think that's her name. She has been dragging Nnamdi Kanu online. But those of you, some of us don't know the reason why she has been doing this. She was sent and she was brought over to come and cause Nnamdi Kanu to derail. Because she was getting social media influence. She was getting influence in Igbo land because people were seeing him as, even me, I was seeing her as somebody that is outspoken because she was always confronting military people on the checkpoints that are not allowing our people to be free walking on the road. So with those acts, people started seeing her as somebody. So with that influence, she was able to penetrate to go and meet Nnamdi Kanu. After meeting Nnamdi Kanu, she came out and started saying some certain things that was not what she discussed with Nnamdi Kanu. And when the news got to Nnamdi Kanu said, distance himself from this woman through his lawyers and debunked every statement that the woman has made about Nnamdi Kanu. Since from that day, this woman turned a demon against Nnamdi Kanu. She has said all manner of things against Nnamdi Kanu. She has kept on bombarding Nnamdi Kanu, saying all manner of things, generating all manner of lies to make sure that she bring to destroy the name of Nnamdi Kanu in the Biafran struggle. Then these fallen angels that already in their hearts, they have been looking for a way to strike Nnamdi Kanu, but they don't have what it takes. And this woman miraculously came to them. And laid down herself to do this job willingly and smoothly. Today she is doing it, but she don't know where it's going to end her. So Biafrans, this is the reason why she is doing whatsoever she's doing today, because Nnamdi Kanu distanced himself from all the cook and boo stories she came online and was spreading on behalf of Nnamdi Kanu. She is very angry because she was brought over by Nigerian government to come and do this job, and Nnamdi Kanu cut her off immediately. So she is trying to finish what is remaining of the job or of the contract. And now she cannot do it alone. She has to align with the fallen angels. And those fallen angels has already brought over or win the heart of taking advantage of the problem going on between Nnamdi Kanu, siblings, and Nnamdi Kanu's wife. So she came in just with the direction of Barrister Jofo. Because Barrister Jofo is obviously the number one key and problem of what is happening today in IPOB. She's the one that brought the disaster, the problem that is happening today in IPOB. And it has spread. Now there is a very big chaos. Through him now, this woman has penetrated. If you watch, Barrister Jofo has visited this woman to go and grant interview. Same thing with Nnamdi Kanu's wife. For you to know that everything that Mazi Simon Ekpa has said right from onset, day one, is true. Barrister Jofo is the enemy of IPOB. Nnamdi Kanu's wife, Barrister Jofo, has won her over, or has brought her over. She is on the side of Barrister Jofo and the fallen angels. That is exactly what is happening today. So this woman has come in to be their spokesperson, and she is at the forefront doing this job. And we must stand up and unite and speak in one voice and make sure that these people go into oblivion. That should be our mission. 24 hours bombardment. When I see people still sharing this woman, and when I see people sharing this woman videos, I kept on wondering, what is wrong with the mind of our people? There is a very big problem because they can't reason. They can't think back. And at the end of the day, you see them making mistake. Tomorrow they will come back and tell us that they were deceived. Are you seeing the level of deceit that our people are into? Tomorrow they will come back and start apologizing that they were deceived. So, but if we give them a little opportunity and chance now, they are going to win and dominate. They are going to win. See, we win them, they will never confess. So we have to come together. Anything autopilot, anything anybody division that you have among you, keep it by your side, by the side. We are together as one, and we must get what we want. Freedom of Nnamdi Kanu is our #1 goal, and freedom of Simon Ekpa, and also the freedom of the sovereign state of Biafra, and recognition of the sovereign state of Biafra. That is our mission. We must unite, speak in one voice now, and fight these common demons that are on our neck right now. Ka Chineke mezie okwu.